In this exercise, we will implement the country component, which will allow us to change automatically the locale of your web application. So, if we can have a look to the country.html, so in this HTML we will just display a flag for each supported locale. The supported locale, we can configure the supported locales in our IOC module class. So in your template we will just use the loop component. Its source will be the list of the supported locales, and we will store the current value in the local variable. And for each iteration we will display an action link which has a context which will be the current locale, and we will display an image. And Tapestry, we will use a flag Java attribute for the path of your pictures. So in our Java class, so first I injected supported locales, which refers to the symbol configured in our IOC module class. So we just have to annotate it with the @ symbol and give to it the name of the tapestry symbol. So our loop component needs a list of locales. So the name of the source is supported locales. So Tapestry will look for a get supported locales method just there. I just return a string array corresponding to the list of the supported locales. Okay, then Tapestry needs a get flag method which will return the path of your image. For doing that, we have a get flag method which will return an asset object. So we injected the asset source services, very useful when you want to make your asset independent of the locale. And in our get flag method, I just use this service and its get asset method, and this method needs the path to the picture. So my picture is in the context of my application, so I use the context prefix static images flag.png and the locale of the user. So in my project I have my picture flag.png and also flag_fr and flag_en. So Tapestry, thanks to the path and the locale, will automatically choose the better image. So for example, if we want the flag picture for the French locale, Tapestry will return the flag_fr.png. Okay, finally we implemented the change locale method, which will be executed when the user clicked on one of our action link. So we have one parameter, but because our action link has a context, and in this method we just change the locale by using the persistence locale service. We injected it before, and the set method. This method takes the desired locale.